What is up everybody, I hope you're doing well. So in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to transfer UV from mesh to another mesh. So to this work it should have the same texture. As you can see here, if we select the texture, they have the same texture. As you can see, nothing changed, but they have different UV. As you can see, this one have this UV and this one have this UV, as you can see here. So how we transfer this? So as you can see, what key I press here, we're gonna select the mesh we want to activate the UV, and then select shift and select the original file that have the UV that we want, and then press Ctrl L. And here we have a lot of things. We can actually link material if it have a different material, and of course we can copy UV map, as you can see here. So for example, if it doesn't have the same material like this one, like if it have if this one have this material, for example, so this one doesn't have the same material as this one, but it have the same mesh. Okay, the same mesh. So first of all, we're gonna select our mesh, then we select this one, and then Ctrl A, and then we can select link material. So they have the same material, but they don't have the same UV, as you can see here. So we're gonna do the same as we do in first one, and then copy UV. And of course we can do this to all of them. So the condition is that they have the same mesh and the same material. And of course you can link material too. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any question, feel free to put them in comment.